you know that according to the Bible, God is not only the creator of the universe, but also its absolute owner? Before time existed, he already was. With just his word, he created the light, separated the seas, formed the stars, and shaped man from the dust. But he is not only love and goodness, he is consuming fire and relentless justice. When Egypt challenged his power, he sent plagues that darkened the sun and filled the land with death. When Sodom rebelled, he made fire rain from heaven, and yet he is also merciful, offering salvation to those who seek him. Moses wanted to see him, but God answered, "No one can see me and live. Even the angels cover their faces before his glory." Who is this God who holds the universe in his hands? What does it mean to be seen by him, the one who knows everything? And how does your life change knowing that right now he is watching? Amen. God bless you.